At a recent town board meeting, the town board unanimously passed a grant of $315,000 to Northwell. And we are now using that to have PCR diagnostic testings for 3 weeks in a row throughout the town of Hempstead. And what is that testing? That's the testing that will let you know if you are positive for coronavirus. This is very timely because we are reading about numbers starting to pop up in parts of the city, in parts of the area, and we are urging residents to go to these facilities, get the testing done, because the price, it's free, no cost to you. What's better than free testing? And we are going to have these tests going on at numerous locations in 3-week intervals, and we're going to ask the residents to go down to it. Now, this is really being able to be provided, again, through our good friend Senator Chuck Schumer, who was able to secure CARES funding right here in the town of Hempstead. And we've teamed up with Northwell already for testing. We have been providing antibody testing for over a month now in several locations throughout the town where we were able to test thousands of people. This was based on a grant, again, that came from this CARES funding. And now I said, with what's taking place and the notoriety of numbers kicking up in New York City and a small portion down in the southern tier in the town, we're going to have these facilities starting up October 12th from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. The first week will be in Baldwin Park. The second week will be October 19th through the 23rd at Veterans Park in East Meadow. And the last will be October 26th through October 30th at Echo Park right here in West Hempstead. We're asking residents to simply, if they could, call the town of Hempstead's hotline at 516-821-2500 to schedule an appointment. If you do show up without an appointment, we're not going to turn you away. And this is eligible for town residents.
Diagnostic testing will tell you whether or not you have the disease, and that way you can protect yourself, prevent spreading to your family and community, and to ensure that we do not have the type of pandemic surge that we had the first time around. So please, you're fortunate to have leadership that cares about the Hempstead community to offer this free testing. I encourage you to do 3 things. Wash your hands frequently, wear your mask, and come out and get a test, a free COVID test.
And certainly, I know how important it is to have the testing done. I myself unfortunately, had it when it first started, but I'm fine. But I definitely am concerned about it because in my area alone, my district, we have over 6,000 people who came down with the virus. And it's not an easy thing to do. I know, but you've done it very well, and I thank you for what you're doing in my community. You're doing a great job, and I guess I'm happy with this one. I'm not sure. But anyway, it's not funny, but thank you so very much. And certainly it's a nice hospital. I'm sure it's going to work well.
But through our friends at Northwell and our medical team and the board, we've really focused on, I think, what this CARES funding has been meant for, helping people. This is so necessary, and like I said, it's so timely. It is so timely when you're reading about these numbers. We don't want to go backwards. We want to go forwards. And again, I will stress to the residents, go to the town website. Go to one of these facilities. October 12th through the 16th, Baldwin Park. October 19th through the 23rd, Veterans Memorial Park. October 26th through the 30th, Echo Park in West Hempstead. Get the test done. You know what? If you're not feeling well, get it done. And if if you're still working and you don't feel well, don't go to work. Go get the test done. That's how you're going to stop this spread. You stop it in its tracks, and that's what Northwell is helping us do. Stop it right here.